So remember that time when I asked you guys, hey, what do you want to know about Alaska? And then a bunch of you replied, Alaska? We want to know all about that drink. Well, I got you covered. Hey everyone, it's me, Andrea. Right now I'm on the other side of the world. I am at the Four Seasons in Mauritius and also sipping a lovely cocktail. This one is not a Glacier-ita. This one is a champagne with a little bit of strawberry syrup and an orange for vitamin C. Gotta stay healthy. But yes, that is a Glacier-ita that I was drinking, like a margarita, but a Glacier-ita. Well, that drink and its ingredients and recipe will now be served. Step 1, take out a piece of glacier ice from the water. This piece of actual glacier was picked up from the Tracy Arm Fjord near Juneau and hand lifted out of the water by a woman.
Oh, Wonder Woman, this is crazy.
That is an Alaskan woman. On the contrary, this is me in Alaska. So yeah, trying to sip a little bit of glacier water at the Mead Glacier.
Oh, I gotta get to the push-up. I would drink more if I get to the push-up.
You got it, just do it to a belly flop.
Okay.
And slightly successful, and then
Okay, push up, go.
I am not a woman. Don't hear me roar. Yeah, I feel like that clip has set the female empowerment movement back a century.
That was perfect.
But to be fair, sipping while doing a push-up is very difficult. This is why I prefer to sip and sit. And then if I'm feeling very saucy, sleep and sip. Champagne. Okay, back to the drink. So after you casually get the ice, you break it up. Then here's the fun part. What is that, tequila and
Sweet and sour and
blue curacao like the glacier ice? As I just learned, the glacier ice is really blue and it's very dense. Yes, because water is actually naturally blue due to how it reflects light. You know, like how the sea is blue? Got a video on that too. And glacier ice is so dense that you can actually finally see its true color. And it's a beautiful bright blue. Here we go for the test. I could put more tequila in it, but it's good.
They sneak up on you.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
What? From South Sawyer, from the Tracy Fjord here in, And what I really love about glacier water and the Glacier-ita is that it really does taste different. Oh my gosh, this ice is actually legitimately really incredible. The glacier water is so pure and fresh that it feels like you've had a Red Bull. Like that's how much energy you get out of it. It's absolutely amazing. That's how they do in Alaska. That's how you keep warm in Alaska, guys. Thank you so much for letting me know what you want to see. Keep that coming. If you enjoyed this, please share it. Click that notification bell because I'm still a very small channel. So any support that you guys give me, I super duper appreciate it. Thank you so much and stay thirsty, my friends. Oh yes, just as I'm about to record, wind gods!